Riri tigarete thiko inyanya mbere ya githurano kinene gutabanio bururi-ini na kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC ni thiete na mbere na meharirie ma githurano giki. Umuthi ikihinyiriria ati ni iharirie wega gugatigirira ni atabania githurano kia umma na waragania makiria kuona ni marikitie meharirie mothe ma githurano giki.
When you see us launch the National Election Call Center and the National Election Media Center, it is a telltale sign that it is all system go. We are very ready, prepared. We've been preparing this since we joined IEBC.
IEBC irutete ndumiriri ino hindi igongona ria kuruguria ceceni igiri iria ikahuthika ni andiki a mohoro na maabitha kamiti no ukinyaniria nyumba-ini ya Bomas of Kenya niguo kuruta mweke kuri ya Kenya kwamukira maumirira na njira ya naihenya ta uria marahanika kuma ituri ciothe cia bururi.
And so this networking then brings what we all look for, transparency in elections. And we are happy that today we are having the opening of the media center, which actually is a culmination of our discussions, part of what we set out to do in the MOU.
Uruguria wa ceceni icio utanyitwo kurehe waragania kuri utabania wa githurano giukite ni kamiti ya IEBC niguo gutigirira Kenya na huraniri turwa othe ni maiganira na maumirira maria makarekererio ni kamiti ino ituri-ini ciothe cia bururi guku muingi wa bururi ukaheo mweke wa kuhura thimu ceceni-ini ici niguo guthererio undu wothe ugakorwo ukimarigithia.
The media will have unlimited access to all our 46,229 polling stations and all our 290 constituency tallying centers and also the county tallying centers. And then here at the Bomas, the media will have access. Accredited media personnel, I think quite a number have been accredited now. I don't have the latest figures, but last time I knew it was over 4,000 had been accredited to cover elections.
Ruhonge rwa borithi ruria naruo rukuruhanitio igongona-ini riri ni ruthingatite a Kenya gukeyumiria na njira nene guikia kura githurano-ini giukite matari na wagagu wothe wigie ugitiri wao kuona maricemba gutigirira thayu wa bururi ndugatharario ni mundu kana kindu giothe ihinda-ini riri ria githurano.
As National Police Service, our business is not to conduct elections. Our business is to provide security, to make sure that Kenyans are free from fear of harm, that they will be able to cast their votes without fear of anything.
Iguru ria maya ceceni ici ni ikahuthika kunyabara icigo iria igakorwo na wagagu wothe niguo kuruta kihonia kia naihenya undu umwe na ihuthike ni andiki a mohoro kurutira wira wao wa kumenyithia Kenya uria githurano kirathie na mbere gutabanio icigo-ini ciothe cia bururi.
There'll be a line that will be given to our personnel, our staff in the field, so that they can quickly communicate in case of anything that is happening. And at the same time, the Commission is able to trace and to find out if everything is well in the field.
I look forward to media covering the truth, especially around numbers and figures. We shall have the result forms of all the 6 elective positions. Please cover the numbers, report the figures as you find them, because you'll be judged depending on the accurate reporting.
Girivotera Kameme TV, jitagwo Mwaura Wagunya.